Ramaya Pramila brand has been synonymous with urology and general surgery over the last 45 years, as many of people know, because we are treating the second and third generation of the patients over the last 2 decades, and the second and third generation of doctors are also entering into the hospital.
Ramaya Pramila Hospital was established in 1970 by my father and my mother, and aptly named after them as Ramaya and Pramila. 1986, I added a new dimension of urology, which was nothing but a subspecialty of surgery. And not only did we add a new dimension, we brought in new technology, which was up to the international standards. We pioneered keyhole surgeries, lasers, and laparoscopy, and we are one of the first in the country to perform such procedures.
We have done more than 1300 laser prostatectomies, and this is probably the highest number of laser prostatectomies being done in whole of South India. We try to acquire all the newest technology in field of urology and implement them to provide quality service to patients coming with us with lot of hope.
We choose guidelines from the United States and the British Association of Urologists, and we fine-tuned it to suit the Indian conditions.
We have the best evolved protocols and processes in the hospital, which start from the reception and end again at the time of discharge with the reception.
This process-driven urologic care is managed by a team of urologists. There's a senior urologist, a mid-level urologist, and a junior urologist. Therefore, it's a team effort, or what we call collaborative care, which ensures that the patient is well taken care of.
Pediatric urology mainly consists of the problems of the children having trouble in passing urine, or some congenital abnormalities in the kidneys or anywhere in the urinary tract. So there are various advances in the treatment of such conditions, like use of laser or other endoscopic and laparoscopic methods in the treatment of these conditions in children. Children are very sensitive. They don't even understand why they are suffering. Our team sensitively realizes this, and we ensure the best possible technology is utilized so that they don't suffer any further.
Sexual disorders are emerging in the world today, and here at Ramaya Pramila we cater to them both for male and female. Female sexual dysfunction was a taboo subject previously, but now the patterns and trends have changed over a period of time. A lot more women from conservative families and middle class families have been coming and approaching us to seek help and redressing their sexual concerns and problems. We at Ramaya Pramila are equipped and committed to the patient's concerns, and with a lot of confidentiality, a lot of dignity and privacy, treat all female sexual dysfunction issues and are very committed to continue to do so.
My vision, therefore, is to make sure that we have multiple such centers all over the country. The general level of urological standards where the patients suffering with kidney problems or stone problems or prostate problems will get uniform care. Now we deliver this by collaboration or a teamwork.
Our team is fully prepared to handle all kinds of urological emergencies 24/7. At any given point of time, you can find a urologist in the hospital catering to the need of the patient. Our work has been acclaimed internationally, and various awards have come to our hospital. Giving best results with safety of the patient using technology is our motto.
Because of my problem in the stone in the kidneys with the previous hospital experience, I want to come to a specialized hospital where I got this hospital reference name through net, and I rushed to this place, and I found qualified doctors and hospital neat and clean and fresh atmosphere, sisters, assistants, and doctor assured me they will remove my pain and my stone without any pain. So happily I admitted and I got my diagnosis. And our Shiva Prasad sir, who is anesthesia chief of the hospital, so he assured me without any pain he will take care of my problem. Because I explained him previously, I got 2 major operations for my both hips are replaced, and please take little bit care for my anesthesia problem, for which he acted well and without pain. Even I didn't feel any what is that called muttu ఏమంటారండి drowsiness. I have not felt even drowsiness also. Anesthesian did very nice and our surgery doctor also did very nice. Everything I am aware of it. And now within 1 hour I got relief, freshness, and I took water and tea and now planning for even tiffins or snacks also. It's very nice.
The concept here is that the patient's diagnosis is made in the shortest possible time. We use the best technology and techniques which have been standardized to ensure that the patient gets better very fast and then he can reach home back to his family with a smiling face.